Aloha, this is Donya and Bruno. Psst, we don't talk about Bruno. Anyway, I'm your ukulista who brews you some nice, sweet and tasty ukulele tutorials through the art of the free play, how to improvise and create or write your own songs without any classical musical knowledge, because you know what the atmosphere will be and the ambition so that you can play something great. Let's try me to do an example and then I explain you further steps. So I hope you enjoyed it a little bit and got a tiny impression what you're able to improvise with this sweet B minor scale, like from the gentle strings of a baritone ukulele to the warm tones of a guitar. It's a mood arises and floats around us like a delicate mist, I would say. And in the depths of B minor scale, the melody resonates, that caresses souls and sets hearts aflutter. So it's a mood of contemplation and inviting us to explore our innermost thoughts and give them, I would say, a melodious expression. So every chord will carry within a story. I think it's a story of or a tale of love, loss, hope, and longing. So in this musical landscape, we not only find the language of the classical music, also the healing power of it for music therapy, what we will use for us and the whole world. So before I dive deeper into the purpose or atmosphere about B minor, I will explain you how the scale works. So we start at the third string and work out like this. This is B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G, A, and B. So if you want, you can also play it here at the 9th fret. So it's B, C sharp, D, E, sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G, A, and B. Okie dokie. So that is the classical declaration, how the scale on the baritone ukulele will work. Also the same with the first string of a guitar. So what is to say about the scale? The scale will open doors to hidden realms of emotion, and it will create a space for healing and transformation. So like each note of the scale will become like a prayer, or each chord. And so each chord is a mantra which will accompany us on a journey to remind us that we are not alone. So we in music we can find solace and inspiration in that silence between the notes. So to think about the things behind, and that we can recognize the infinite wisdom that exists within and around us. So the B minor chakra, or for the key, the note B, is the crown chakra. So it opens the door to spirituality. Whoops, today I have something wrong with my tongue. Anyway, and it invites us to enter the silence, to contemplate the meaning of life. So you see, it triggers me because it's in the crown chakra, and you start thinking, and so in the reaction of that key, you start activating something inside you, that you are not alone, and that we were all connected to the universal energy, and that is reminding us that perfection is not found outside that world, so it's inside us, and it will exist beyond space and time. So play around with the lovely B minor scale and enjoy it. I'm so in love with that scale. It's incredible. So it happens something in your mind. So may the music of B minor accompany you to a journey to inner perfection, and that the power of love and expression will unfold our spiritual soul and mind, or essence. So it will help us to embrace the silence and recognize us the meaning of life, and that the peace exists everywhere, inside and outside us. So I hope you loved that tutorial. Please support me on Patreon to get PDF files, or buy a t-shirt with my spiritual logo in my online store. And I'd love to see you for the next tutorial, where I talk more about all the chakras that will help us to float through the body, to body, mind and soul, and trigger special parts of our body to dissolve issues or any blockades. So love you, see you soon, your Donya, your ukulista.